Hello, welcome to my Life is Math Learn channel. Today we will discuss about JEE Mains paper Shift 1 on April 4th.
It's a 11th question. Let's see the problem. X plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, one equation. Another equation, x is equal to y. And the third equation, 3x is equal to minus y. So x is equal to y, 3x is equal to minus y, which is passing through the origin. We know the point. Now let's draw the graph of the given equations. If I take the x is equal to 3, from the 3x is equal to minus y, it is the 9. So I will take the positive direction 9 numbers, and in negative direction 3 numbers, enough, because x is equal to 3, here minus 3 in the first equation, that's why. Now I will draw the x is equal to minus 3 equation. Now suppose I will take the x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to also minus 3. Here if I take the x is equal to minus 3, I will get to 3 into minus 3, y is equal to 9, I will get. So y is equal to 9, the point A, I will draw the line, and x is equal to minus y line I will draw. So in the intersecting points A and B, so A, B. Now OC is the angle bisector. So we know the angle bisector theorem. BC by AC is equal to OB by OA. So the B point is the, if I take the minus 3, I will get 9. So minus 3 comma 9. The distance OB is the 9 square plus 3 square plus 9 square, that is equal to root 80. Sorry, root 90. Next, again A point minus 3 comma minus 3. So the distance is root 18. So OB means root 90 by root 18. It will cancel root 5 times root 5 by 1. But we need the BC square by AC square, there is equal to 5 by 1. The option 1 is